Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I do my daughter's hair, which is long overdue, so let's get into it. I always like to start with freshly washed hair, and usually I wash her hair, I get in a bathtub when she's taking a bath, but clearly I wasn't recording my baby in the bath, so we're at the sink today. For those of you who don't know, my daughter has been diagnosed with autistic spectrum disorder, so hair days for us take a lot of extra patience. In order to keep the peace during hair day, I like to do things like just reassure her she's okay. I like to involve her by letting her smell like the products I'm putting in her hair, like things like that. Just keep her calm while I'm trying to get everything done.
Smell it. Smell good? That smells good, mama.
Also, constant interaction will take her mind off the fact that she's overstimulated. So I always just try to like talk to her, sing with her, things like that.
It's okay, mama. Stop. Stop. Almost done. Say almost done. Good job. Are you done?
Now we're blow drying her hair. I'll put the heat protectant I use in the description box. When I'm blow drying my daughter's hair, I like to go in between like low and medium heat. I just switch back and forth just because her hair is already like very coarse and like coily and it breaks off very easily. And I didn't want to put too much heat on her hair.
Now sit down. You see that pretty hair? Look at that pretty hair, mommy. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Sit down.
Now I'm parting her hair into 3 sections. So I split the top in 2 and then I go ear to ear from like across the top.
Let mama see.
And if you're not checking your middle part from the front, I promise you your part is not in the middle.
Smiling mouth, and finally cheeks under the eyes, and small.
Okay, to start off the style, I'm putting 4 stitch braids in the front. And if you can't stitch, as long as you know how to braid to the scalp, you're good.
Super easy drawings channel. Hello kids, welcome.
When it comes to my daughter's hair, I really like to focus on her parts and her stitch braids. But you will see in the video, when I'm stitching and she starts like getting uncomfortable, I'll just start braiding regularly because I'm not about to argue with a toddler. You got it. I'll hurry up.
Yes, it looks wonderful. Now I draw the stem of the rose.
Good
Its
job, mommy.
leaves. I draw 3 of them.
Good job.
Whatever you did to this side, do to this side. Now in the back, I'm parting it in half because I'm about to do like this little rubber band crisscross style. It's really foolproof, so just watch it.
Look, it's okay. I'm almost done. Yeah.
Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. And now that we're done, it's time to accessorize. She wasn't going anywhere this day, but I still put on green bows because my mama just bought her this green cute outfit and she's gonna be putting it on tomorrow. So yeah. And I'm doing her baby hairs because it's my baby and my baby got hers and yeah, baby hairs there. No, but really, this is probably like my favorite part of the whole style, doing her baby hairs. It just ties everything in. It looks so cute and girly. I love this part. And by this point, she was over it, like Summer Walker. But we're almost done. So my last step, I'm taking this Cantu Kids Detangling whatever liquid. And I'm just going to comb out her puffs a little bit more.
Say cheese.
And that is all for this hairstyle.
Pretty.
That's all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next
Say
one.
shoo.
Bye.
Shoo. 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 Shoo.